Happy July 3rd. Almost 250 years of this nation. We should all be proud to be an American today. Models built for you. Doing a little cleaning up of some parts here, and kind of wanted to give you a quick update. So I'm just gonna got my bunch of little parts that I clipped off already over here. Just been using sprue, as you can see down here, cutting pieces up with this razor knife, circle, punch set. So I'm going to jump right in here. Just glue here. This is what I use most of the time. 85% of the time, this is what I use for super glue. It's always worked for me. I do have the other ones. I have some Hobby USA and the Bob Smith up here. I have his stuff too, so, but that one's always worked for me. And then I try to put it where the old part was. And yeah, this is just the first. So what I do is I'll take this. There was two sides for this piece, each side on the. I'm working on the third section right now. So what I did is there's another identical piece that looks just like this, and then I left this one the way. This is the second one, so I've already done one of these. It's 100% done, and I do want to apologize, guys, but I'm kind of not really looking at the monitor, so I'm just kind of doing my thing here. Just kind of doing what I do to get my results and kind of give you what's going on. So I take it, and one of them I left the way it is. I did have pictures, and I will show you some pictures of what it looked like beforehand. And then I kind of go in, because a lot of this stuff looked just like big globs. I mean, you could tell it was a square, but excuse me. So, and then I just again, I've taken it all the way down to as flat as possible, and then replacing glue often. I just put a little bit out at a time. can always open that tube up and put a little bit more out there. It just always makes a difference. You know, with the super glue, it's always with me. It's either it activates on the first time or I mess with it for a time or two before I get it to do exactly what I want it to do. And what I did is I went through and cut out all the pieces that I need to do this, because when I did the first one, of course, you know, I was doing a little bit at a time. And then so I didn't know what all the sizes were. So when I went through to do this one, like I showed you, I have all the little pieces over here for everything to sometimes it does take me an hour or two to maybe to get some motivation, or sometimes I'll strip a part down and it'll be, I don't know, blank, and I'll sit there and go, okay, and look at what was on it before. And when it was all squiggly lines before anyway, kind of like, you know, oh, sorry, completely out of the picture. Okay. So as you can see, I put those all the way around there. Now I will add some glue and do some bending to get these to conform around. But this one here, let's do the next step on that one. There. So, kind of see that's my little process working there, and I mean, I could sit here and work the whole thing, but you know, let's just show you what I come up with when I'm done. So. Greebly 40mm gun from a 1/200 scale, Iowa. But yeah, this is a finished one. So Sorry guys, I'm trying to look at the camera. And then this is the part it goes into. As you can see on top. Started working on the top here. I've carved all this off. I should have completely made this smooth. I'll take a picture and stick it in here. This was, as you can see, this was what the center was here. So you can see how much I built it out. Bondo. I just stuck it in because I said to stick it in through here. We grab the top part. And you can see kind of what I'm working at. And then this piece. Up in there. So I got some kind of, just out of styrene. Bunch of little strips. I bought the Plasto straight evergreen. So just wire drilling. So this has not been, this piece right here, this has not been carved or taken care of, or see how, look at how bad that print is. Well, but let's get back. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick update of what I was doing, kind of give you an idea of what I have. I'll take a few pictures and post them in here. Y'all have a great 4th of July. Always remember, the land of the free because of the brave. Many people lost their lives to make our country what it is today, and we always need to respect that. 4th of July, our declaration that makes us what it is today, to make us to be free, to be able to do whatever we want to do, be respectful to others, love each other, and let's make the next 250 years great. So happy 4th of July. Everybody take care of themselves. God bless America.